Hello Glen, my name is Eduardo. Once again, thank you for answering the phone today, and I'm preparing a personal video for you for the 2010 BMW R1200RT. As I mentioned to you, 47,288 kilometers. It's a Canadian motorcycle, and the price is $12,498 plus HST and licenses. This motorcycle is fully safety certified. As I said to you, bike is very clean. That's the tires, and it's so this motorcycle comes with the cruise control, has the power windshield, and also comes with the ABS. And the other side you have the heated grips and the heated seat. As I said, fully safety certified. If you need more assistance or any more questions that you have on mind, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacts.